programs. National Commission of Social Forest was used by the National Commission on Agriculture in 1976. To denote pre-ranging programs to supply firewood. Denote pre-ranging programs for to supply firewood. Social forest, small timber or minor forest product, minor forest product. Actually, minor forest product to rural populations, rural income generation through the massive plantation work and revenue, rural income generation through massive plantation work, revenue earning from wood stock value, selling the medicinal plant and energy crops generated by intercrop management. Selling the medicinal plant and energy crops generated. Intercrop management. Energy crop generated by intercrop management are the important tax envisaged for the improved socio-economic condition of rural masses. Intercrop management are the important tax envisaged for the improved socio-economic condition of the rural masses. Rural masses. Carbon credit through the clean development generation through the massive plantation work and the revenue earning from wood stock, selling the medicinal plants and energy crops generated by intercrop management the important tax increases for the improved socio-economic condition of rural masses. Improve socio-economic carbon credit through clean development mechanism will be additional income benefited. Additional income benefited by social forestry for afforestation, reforestation, waste land and development. It is community-based work on massive plantations through Panchayat village based work. Massive plantation through the Panchayat village assembly involving under joint venture program. The National Commission for Farmers has determined the following objectives for the social forestry. The National Commission for Farmers has determined implement soil conservation plans and prevent spoiling the productive capacity of soil from getting degraded. Prevent the spoiling the productive capacity of the soil from getting degraded. Soil conservation plans and to increase the fuel availability and to increase the food modifications. To increase the food modification by the increasing the food productions. Increase the food productions. To enhance the natural beauty. To enhance the natural beauty of the village and the cities by plantations. To encourage environmental conservation by plantation and to create a general consciousness regarding environment conservation. Create general consciousness about to forestry conservation, environment conservation regarding. Actually, is the National Commission Farmers. Actually, for the social forestry, it is the development of the livelihoods and the wood stock and everything, energy productions, economy of the villages and the countryside, everything. See, for social forestry, carbon credit, everything, the beauty of the villages and are merit goods. Actually, merit goods refers to hence the government ensures that availability to all consumers, regardless of the ability to pay at a reasonable price. Merit goods refers to these goods that are very essential to the society, the whole and hence the government ensures that they are available to all consumers regardless of their ability to pay at reasonable prices. Society as a whole and hence the government ensures their availability to all consumers. regardless of their ability to pay reasonable prices. Merit goods. Term merit goods sell to society as a whole, and hence the government ensures their availability to all consumers, regardless of their ability to pay regional prices. Ability to pay regional prices very essential to the society. Merit goods refer to the goods that are very essential to the society. All and hence the government ensures the availability to all consumers. The government ensures availability to all consumers, regardless of their ability to pay at reasonable prices. Pay at reasonable prices. Merit goods refers to very essentials. Actually, merit goods